It really does take a village.
Homeowners Financial Group's always been involved in giving back to the community. It's part of our core values at the company, but we wanted to take that a step further. And as I look around the homeownership industry, I wanted to be part of creating a foundation that would unite the homeownership industry and a cause that we could come together to raise some money and do some good in the community.
My wife Krista and I had a son in May of 2009 named Apollo, and when Apollo was 3 days old, we ended up going into Phoenix Children's Hospital with him. He had some complications and was having a hard time breathing. And we ended up spending 7 weeks in the pediatric intensive care unit of Phoenix Children's Hospital. When Apollo passed away, we decided that we wanted to do something because of all the people that we had seen in the hospital who had struggled to take care of their children while also taking care of their own personal lives.
Well, I'm a father of 2 daughters, and I can imagine the stress that would cause just having a sick child, a child going through chemo, or a child with a serious injury, just having to deal with that. And if we can alleviate some of that pressure and make a house payment for them, I just think that's what we're supposed to do.
Bill had a great vision of how he wanted to get the homeownership industry supportive of a cause that was related to homeownership and that was also related to helping families and helping children who were going through the same kind of traumatic life events that Krista and I had been through.
Growing up, Ella was always a very happy child, even as a baby. She rarely fussed, slept through the night when she was about 8 weeks old, and loved to play. June 2008, typical day for Ella and I. Took her to get her very first haircut at the salon. Once we were out and about, Ella began to cry and wouldn't stop. And I called my husband and told him something was not okay. And when they pressed on her side, she screamed out in pain. And the doctor said it was not appendicitis, but there was a mass on her liver. And that is the first day we checked into the hospital.
Sitting in the hospital and watching all these other families, you realize that so many of them just don't have that luxury. And something like this, and what the efforts of this group are trying to accomplish, will really make a difference in trying to ease some of the stress.
Ella's now 6, 1.5 years cancer-free, and very happy. She lives every moment of life to its fullest. She enjoys school, and she plays soccer and does karate.
Homeowners Financial Care Fund. We care for your home while you care for your family.